Welcome to Seattle's picturesque Greenwood neighborhood and to our tour of this classic Tudor home for sale. I'm Kim Colaprete with Team Diva Real Estate at Coldwell Banker Bain in Seattle, Washington. Let's explore the 5 details we love most about this stunning brick Tudor, and boy, is this a hot home.
Gotta be afraid. I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up?
The joy of living in any Tudor style home is its original architectural details, and this home is lacking in none of those details. When I sold this home to my clients years ago, I remember us all being incredibly enamored by the coved ceilings and the Art Deco fireplace as soon as we walked into the home. And these ceilings have been recently refreshed, so they are in perfect condition for the home's future new owners. We also fell in love with the untouched original mahogany trim, these graceful archways, and the unique leaded glass pocket windows, which are all still in working condition. They just add that extra level of vintage charm to this beautiful Greenwood brick Tudor. So everyone loves vintage details in a home, but let's be honest, what owners don't love is vintage plumbing and electrical. When the sellers bought this home, it still had the original 30s kitchen and a lot of the original systems. They quickly updated the plumbing and electrical throughout the home and modernized the kitchen with new cabinets and countertops, all in line with the original design of the home. They also made the choice to open up the kitchen to the dining room for more light and functionality. This remodel allowed for the perfect blend of 1930s style with modern ease of living.
Without you, no, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty.
Okay, the sellers love this backyard. We love this backyard, and I'm positive you will love this backyard too. It offers the perfect amount of city living outdoor space. Plenty of room for the kids and the pooches to play, but still a breeze to maintain. There's this gracious patio area for you to house your barbecue and enjoy dining with the family as the Seattle weather gets warmer and sunnier. There's also this quaint strawberry patch that will be brimming with sweet red strawberries soon, all for you, the new owner, to enjoy. Just get there before the rabbits find this treasure first. Down the stairs and through the luxurious bathroom, you'll find a set of double doors leading to a clever hidden nook. This secret flex space has had numerous uses during the time the owners lived in the home. It's been a laundry room, a nursery, a craft space, and an office. With most of us Seattleites still working from home due to the coronavirus shutdown, having a private flex space for you to settle in for a day of Zoom calls is certainly a huge plus. And this secret space is beyond big enough to double as a laundry room and an office if need be. This classic brick Tudor is located in Seattle's picturesque Greenwood neighborhood, just blocks from its urban center, Greenwood Ave. The main street is dotted with local bars, taverns, restaurants, and shops. Some of the owner's favorites are 74th Street Ale House, Flint Creek Cattle Company, and Cornuto Pizzeria, just to name a few. You can also check out Oliver's Twist for a great cocktail, Ken's Market for your grocery needs, and one of my favorite spots, Diva Espresso, for your morning or afternoon pick-me-up. And just down the street from this home is the quaint 6th Avenue Northwest Pocket Park, a perfect place for when you and the family need a little extra outdoor space to relax in. With easy access to the neighborhoods of Green Lake and Ballard, this home is perfectly situated for the urban dweller who loves a little quiet without being miles from all the best the city has to offer. Thank you for tuning in to our tour of this classic brick Tudor. As always, we would absolutely love it if you gave us the thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And of course, follow us on the interwebs. This is Kim Colaprete with Team Diva Real Estate at Coldwell Banker Bain saying, ciao for now.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you.